Hello, this is INE Foundation Lab 2, section 4.1 RIP version 2. Okay, compare RIP version 2 between R3 and R9. Okay, let's see our topology. We have R3 and R9 and switch 3. Between R3 and R9, we have network 39. It is octet 3. Let's see. It is between R9 and R3, we have this network. 156, 139, 3. These are routing domain, routing RIP domain. Between switch 3 and our num, we have interface VLAN, and this is our network. 20.39, 23, 2039, 23. We have to enable RIP between R9 and R3. So we can achieve this goal by simply do network command. Network. Okay, advertise gigabit Ethernet 1.239 subnet into RIP on R9. Okay, this is R9. We have to advertise this network into RIP there. This is, we can use this by network command. Okay, ensure that no RIP version 2 updates are sent on interfaces facing other routing domains. Okay, no RIP version 2 update facing other routing domain. Okay, this is if this is it says that routing update should send only on routing domain. This means we should have RIP routing update on this interface, not other interfaces. For example, this blue, red. We should not have RIP routing update on this interface and this interface either on this interface. Only on interface between R9 and R3. Still facing RIP routing domain. Okay, we can do this by passive interface command. Interface. We simply do passive interface default on R9 and R3. Passive interface default command will make all interfaces as passive and no RIP version 2 update will receive on these interfaces, on passive interfaces. And then simply use no passive interface, this Ethernet 1.39. It will make RIP update to come and send on this interface between R9 and R3. We can use by passive interface. Yeah. Okay, R3 should only accept RIP version 2 updates from R9. If a new RIP version 2 host is added to the LAN segment between R3 and R9, R3 should never install update from the new RIP speaker. Okay, RT only should accept RIP from R9. And if we add another relation, correct? And if we add another router X, to our segment. This is between, this is all, for example, network 39. RT only should only accept RIP update from R9. Okay, we can do this by distribute list the gateway command. Distribute list gateway. This will force R9 only to accept, force RT only to accept from RIP update from R9. Okay, let's review RIP routing protocol and jump into configuration. Okay, we have three versions of RIPs. RIP version 1. In RIP version 1 we have classful. It's about classful routing. No VLSM, routing update to broadcast. We have broadcast, not mastercast. And no authentication. In RIP version 2 we have classless routing. It supports VLSM and routing update to multicast. It uses multicast address 224009 and it uses MD5 authentication. In RIP-NG it's used for IP version 6 routing. It supports VLSM and routing update to multicast. It uses multicast address FF02:9 and it uses AH and ASP authentication. And RIP characteristics. It uses distance vector protocol. It uses UDP port 520 and 521. It uses administrative distance of 120 and Benham-Ford algorithm and uses split horizon and Poisson reverse for loop prevention. It supports maximum of 50 and its RFC numbers and multicast addresses and periodic update every 30 seconds. And for verification we can use show IP protocols. Okay, show IP protocol is general. It shows all routing protocols in our routers. It's not RIP specific. We can use show IP RIP database for our RIP database information, debug IP RIP and debug IP RIP interface, and show IP root RIP to see our RIP routing information. This is the same as the first one. Okay, and for configuring RIP we can use router RIP and global configuration mode, version number, no auto summary, network to advertiser network, default information original, it is for advertising default route, and passive interface. Yeah, passive interface or default, IP summary address for summary addresses, and IP version 6 RIP and so on. And we have a split horizon, route Poisson reverse and triggered updates. Okay, split horizon it is used for the MVPN hub and spoke. In some scenarios we have to disable split horizon on hub for spoke to spoke connectivity. Split horizon rule says if after received an interface won't be sent out to the same interface. Okay, this is mean if we have this type of scenario, if we receive update from this spoke, and if this spoke, this update is confirmed here, and if this spoke wants to speak to this spoke, it will not, it can't send this update back to this spoke, because this speed horizon says will not allow it. Speed horizon rule will not allow it to happen. We have to disable speed horizon on hub for spoke to spoke connectivity. Okay, let's configure our RIP. Complete temperature router RIP. Version 2. No auto summary. And advertise our network to show IP interface brief. This is this network. Okay, because the IP is classful and this network is class B. If I type network 156.165, it will set only class B of this network. It will set 156.100. Okay, let's see that. One out to show run part section to tip. I see 151.100. Config. T. Okay, this is our first part of configure advertisers. Oops. On this, and I have to advertise this network into RIP on R9. R9. Okay, because this network is in class. This network is in class B, and RIP is classful. If RIP has classful nature, it will advertise this network either. I can verify this, but to show IP root RIP on R3. Root. For the to show root. Okay. On R9. brief. Alternative. Okay. 103. Okay. Ensure that no RIPv2 updates are sent on interface for the routing domain. Okay, simply I can use here this is default excuse me, passive interface default. This will make all interfaces as passive. And type no passive interface this network between R3 and R9. Okay, R3 should only accept RIP-v2 update from R9 if new RIP is added to LAN segment. R3 should never install update from RIP. Okay, let's see what can we do. We have on R9. R3 should only accept from R9. If I do show RP routine RIP. Root RIP, excuse me. R2 is receiving this network via 39.9. Okay, let's create a prefix list. I say exit IP prefix this and say let's only R9. Permit 156.139.9. This is 30-bit. Okay, now I have created a preface list and permit this address into our preface list. It will match this network. Then I'm going to RIP configuration section and you distribute this tribute list gateway and just select the same name only unknown. This is our public list name. This is incoming. Into this interface. Okay, I have created public list and match this address or non-address that are receiving, and I created distribute list gateway. This created public list and inbound this interface. This will make RT to accept only for R9. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's check our protocol. Show IP protocol. I have RIP. I'll get first this one. And incoming updates filter list for all interfaces is not set, and this is filtered by prefix. And let's see, show IP dot RIP. This is our RIP. From RT. Okay, let's do show run exception. Okay, for passive interface, I may show IP protocol. In show IP protocols, we have this interface as passive. All these interfaces are passive. 239 passive interface. And this is our gateway. Not show IP protocol. I have passive interface for this network. Instead 39. Okay, and to check this last section, let me create one router here. Okay, let's bring R2 and set yes, config T interface internet IP address. So use 1.15.39. Oops. 39.2. Okay, so I have to encapsulate. Encapsulation dot one Q then 39. I'm not sure. Okay, let's verify do ping if I can. For example, 3 and 9. Okay, now let's configure it. RIP. So before I configure, let's do debug. I enable debug command. Debug IPRIP. Okay, now TR2 RIP version 2 not a summary and advertise our network uh, one uh, hmm, 156 100. Okay. Go have added another router in our segment between R9 and R3. Let's see our debug. On R3 I can receive RIP update from our new installed router, but if I check R3's routing table show IP route RIP, it will not install that our new router's RIP. I can see only from 39. I don't see R2's route. Okay, let's clear. Let's remove our distribute config T, do show down path section the RIP. Let's remove this one. RIP. Not simply do no. Distribute list and do show RP root RIP. Okay, now bit up that and this. Okay, now I remove it. After I remove it, this distribute list, I can RT can install our new what is root. This is from that 2 139 2 and 2, these two networks. This is 24. This is 24 and 222. This is not. Okay, now let's bring back our distributors. Yep. Attribute star. And show attribute. Yep. Okay. RT only accept rip from R9. Even if I install other router to our segment between R9 and R3. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for viewing.